So every keyboard I build comes in two sound profiles. One is silent and the other is thocky. I got a special request last night for the Atlas, which is this keyboard with a thocky sounding profile, and I am about to build that, but I wanted to show you guys the switches that are under the hood. So the thocky sound, this is what the switch looks like. This is a special rose gold edition, and it's transparent so that the light diffusion comes through it, and it sounds like this. Underneath the keyboard, though, it sounds like this. And the silent switches, they look like this. They also have some translucency, so the color is diffused, but when I click it, there's literally no sound. And under the keys, it sounds like this. Lit, right?